Hey peeps! Welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I am finally opening a package from the one with the diamond art that I got far too long ago. But as you will know if you've been following the channel, I've not been very well, dealt with some physical and mental issues, and so this has just been sat waiting for a time when I was feeling up to opening it and giving it the full attention it deserves. So let's get inside and have a look. So the one with the diamond art are the UK company, which is lovely for me, but they do ship all over. Let's get in here. Come on. So this has come wrapped in plastic. Get rid of that. And then we've got our box. Nothing to write home about there. I know that the one with the diamond art offer you to order with or without a toolkit, which is lovely as far as saving that plastic waste. I can't remember whether I ordered this with or without a kit. I'm hoping I ordered it without a kit because I really don't need any more kits. But let's have a look. Oh, okay. In here we've got another box. Come on. Oh, it's tight in there. There we go. That's a prettier box to look at. Right. So this is a branded box there, you can see one with the diamond art. They won the 2022 Winter e-commerce awards apparently, which is very interesting. We've got their socials on there. I'll pop those down in the description anyway, so you can go and have a look. And it tells us here, let me just move you in a bit. That's a bit better. I am so out of practice. So yeah. It's poured glue, lace edge, velvet back, all the stuff that we like to see on a canvas. Let's get inside. Okay. Looks like I ordered it with a kit. That's what it looks like. I can't remember. But let's have a look at that then. So we do have some lovely branded tweezers with a little swan neck on them. We've got your standard pen, a little bit of sparkle. We've got a couple of multi-places. I'm not a fan of these ones, but they do the job. We've got their business card. Lovely bit of hollow on there, always very nice. Right, then I'm assuming that this should have all come in this little bag. That's better. Getting used to my new setup still. So we've got a lovely little printed velvet pouch there. We've got your moss for tray. We've got a squishy. We've got some washi tape. I've actually got some of that already, that particular design. And we've got a caddy with 2 circles of pink wax. So that is the kit that you will get as standard, but as I say, you can order it without. I'm assuming that somewhere in my brain I thought I would show off the kit as well. Better. That's okay. So this is a piece of artwork from the lovely Sarah Rose, who you will know I have talked about a lot on this channel. I've shown her artwork before. She was previously with Pam Diamond Painting. Sadly, with Pam no longer trading, Sarah has currently got herself a home at the one with the diamond art. This is the smallest size that this particular canvas comes in, and it is in round. So it's 44 colours. Let's get that light out of the way. So it looks lovely. It will be interesting to see how it works up, because this is it's not like a charted image. So what you can see is the picture, and all of the symbols, if I move you in, are just sort of grayscale. So That is interesting. I'm not sure how I'm going to find that to work on, but it shouldn't take too long to work on because it is rounds and it is only a 40 by 40. I will just check to see if that is a true to size. I believe their canvases are. But, yeah, 40 centimetres by 40 centimetres. So that should be lovely. We've got this absolutely gorgeous little baby dragon, and then you can see the eye of the mama dragon in the background. And so this is hatching day. Yeah, this is rounds, and it's also got some specials. Let me track those down and we can have a look at them. Symbols wise, alphanumeric, which are in order, which is always lovely. And then a few basic symbols, not very much at all. Like I say, 44 colours. What are our specials? Let's see if I can find them. Frills. Frills come pre-bagged, so if you're one of these people that doesn't want to kit up, you can work directly out of the bags. And we do have this sticker sheet which you can put directly onto your bags if you want, or onto your storage containers. Now, I'm looking for the specials, which are, there's 4 of them, 41, 42 and 43. Aha, got you. 1, 2, 3, 4 specials. Right, I'll bring you back down. Okay, so for our specials, we have got they're all fairy dust. So we've got a 413 fairy dust. It's a very dark grey, but very nice, very sparkly. We've got a 819, which is a very pale pink colour. Interestingly, I've got a lot of this colour in my other Sarah Rose painting that I'm currently working on, but that's squares. We've got a white, a 520 in a fairy dust. These are all turned up the wrong way, it's hard to see. You can see the odd 1 or 2 that are turned the right way up. And an 820, which is that lovely royal blue. So where are those going to go? The 820 royal blue is the double music note, so that's going to be the inner ear and the shaded area here on our lady. The white and the pink are going to go through her hair, so you're going to see sparkles of that throughout, and a little bit in that highlight in the mama dragon's eye. And the 413 is a heart symbol, so again that's going to be the shading in her hair and just around the edge of the eye again. So I have so much in my whip pile at the moment because I really did, I dropped the ball big time last year. I started far too many canvases, didn't finish enough. Last year can get in the bin as far as I'm concerned. But this being such a cute size, very desk friendly, I am kind of tempted. I think if I can get one of my whips finished by the end of the month, I might start this one because I really want to see how it works up, especially as I know several other people who have worked on larger versions of this canvas. It will be interesting to see the difference. So stick with me and I will be, I'll get to this one as soon as I can, and then I'll give you updates when they are available. If anyone is interested in grabbing this one, it is currently in this size, £24.99. And it also comes in a 60 by 60, an 80 by 80, 100 by 100 or 120 by 120. And you can also select whether you want round, squares, rounds with ABs, square with ABs, rounds with pearlescent shimmer, which is what I've got, square with pearlescent shimmer, or rounds plus AB pearlescent mix. So there's lots of options. You really can tailor it to whatever floats your boat. And do go and check out Sarah Rose's other artwork available on the one with the diamond art, and check out her website, which I'll also link down below so you can see more of what's available. And of course, if you want to see her artwork anywhere, do reach out to your favourite companies and make sure they are keeping an eye on what she has available. So I'm going to leave this here. Thank you so much for joining me for my first unboxing of this year. I am really enjoying being back. I loved my Live Love Wednesday. If you haven't seen that, do go and check it out, because I give a lot of information about where I've been, what I've been up to, and what I foresee as being the channel moving forward. Nothing really too heavy, but just my thoughts of where I want to go moving onwards. I will be back on Friday. Where are we now? Brain, engage. Yes, I will be back on Friday with a live for those of you that wish to celebrate Ostara with me. That is the spring equinox. And then I will see you again, hopefully on Monday, with something new. And if I don't have anything for you Monday, I'll see you on Wednesday for a lovely live. Until then, stay crafty.